Ganda dito. Uy, sandali pakita ko sa inyo mga garden stuff here. Sandali. Pakita ko. Oh. Oh, I like that. Look at that. Yeah. How much? Ang ginanong hangin mga bebs. Ayan siya. Ang ganda dito oh.
Yeah.
That one? Yeah. How old is ours? 10 years old?
Longer than that. It's in the 2012 photos. It's got to be 12 years.
Before Ella.
Way before Ella. It's in the 2012 photos.
Oh, yeah. Ang ganda oh. We need a nice thingy. Look at this.
You see how much the mortgage has gone up, right?
How will I know you don't show me?
You got an email.
Oh. Ella would like that. Ella would like that. Big chair. This is high. Look. Ang daming mga mga store. Yeah? 189 siya. Mga seti. Garden seti. A grand for this. Meron. Is ours not really working anymore?
Well, it's rusted. Push the tray underneath. I could probably renovate it. Put the tray underneath. Grease trays come loose. So
Meron
grease
naman kami.
just goes down.
What is this?
Goes up and down.
Huh?
You can have it as like a coffee table.
Oh. I want a bar. I want to see a bar. $329.99. Another egg chair. Sun is out. Ang lamig tong hangin. Nakakabwisit yung hangin mga bebs. Nainis ako sa hangin. Is this a garden set? Huh?
Surely it must soak in the rain, right?
Yeah. That's not a garden set, is it?
It is. It says all weather.
What? You want this?
It's nice, comfy. Yeah, you can imagine after a year being left out in the elements, it's just going to go
Oh yeah.
mouldy. And
Yeah, of course. Ganda oh. Ganda. Let's start here. Garden stuff here. Oh, there's a food stall. May food stall pala dito. Magiginaw ako. I should have gotten my coat, my jacket. Please. Yeah. Wait a minute. What's that? Gusto ko yan. Gusto ko itong pepperoni. Gusto ko cheese rings.
You can do contactless here. You can go to contactless. Garlic with Italian tomato sauce, sun-dried ginger, garlic with olive oil, garlic
Baby
with
baklava.
Italian tomato sauce. Just waiting for
Nuts. Salted nuts.
garlic Can you translate it? I'm tired.
That's it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Nuts. Fair Sweets gifts. Meron Yum Tree Fudge. Mas marami pang kainan dito kaysa doon sa pinuntahan namin. See?
Hi, welcome.
Hello.
Our aim is to make the UK's best quality fudge. Got more flavour, more dairy, Belgian
Yeah.
chocolates. They just melt in your mouth. Grab a silver stick, have some fun.
Which one is dairy free? Or are all there dairy
Over
free?
here, would you like to try?
Yes, please.
Would you like to help yourself to a stick? Vanilla, chocolate, salted caramel. It's made with oat milk, gluten-free oat milk. That's right.
Thank you.
My favourite's the chocolate, if you like to try.
What is this?
Vanilla oat. They're all the same price. Hi, welcome.
I like the salted one.
Taste, enjoy. Yum Tree Fudge.
Nakabili ko na ng
Super, thank you.
Yum
On
Tree
our
Fudge.
mailing list at the moment, if you'd like to scan our QR code, you'll be entered into our draw every month to win a giant box of fudge.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think that's how I went last time on Facebook.
What did you win?
Oh, yeah, it was a couple of years ago.
Yeah. 12 bags of fudge.
I don't think it was that much, but thanks a lot.
Thank you. Nakabili kami ng Yum Fudge. Yum Tree Fudge. May bring bag. Brownies, cookies. Ayun, may cookies doon. Chili, chicken.
Chilies.
Yeah.
So it's chili.
Chili, chicken. Hello, gin tonics. Hiran nyo to ha. Ito sa inyo. Gin. Toilet's over there. Hog roast.
It's probably just Gordon's gin, put in one of them bottles.
Gordon's gin. How'd you know that? Merong hog roast. Hog roast. Ayun ulit lechon. Oh. May lechon.
Hungry.
Yeah. Ayun, dito yung pagkain. More stalls daw dito. Mas maraming stalls dito. Tingnan nyo yung carpet, oh. Tingnan nyo yun, oh. Centuries ago. Ayan, si David. Hiningal ako, eh. Wala ng mga pintana, no? It's bintana. Ayun, ang arbor. Go that way. Ooh, pretty. Pretty. Tingnan nyo to. Oh, big. Walks, mango walks filled with stones and travel backwards and forwards over the rollers. Extremely hard work, it says there. Electronic. Yung mga gamit ng araw. Oh. Tanya. Anuhan nyo ng milk ko. bigas. Fire extinguisher ng araw. Ayan o. Hoover. Ayan na Hoover. Heater ng araw. TV. May ganyan kaming TV noon. Painting. I want painting.
Yeah, no, I have one in my front hall with us going in 4 different directions.
Very
And
nice.
it's perfect. Oh, I know, I'll be really disappointed. Darn it.
Tingnan nyo yun, Creepy man yun, oy. Creepy man yun, oy. Ayan,
And she wants to do all the things she used to do. You know, we're trying to swim her in a towel, get her and just like,
Para siyang stroller nung araw. Yun. Stroller. Tingnan nyo yun, ang ganda dun, may lake. May ice cream, dun, truck siya. Ayan, Ganda. Ang ganda dito. Dito pala kami nagpunta no, nung maliit si Ella, na nagkaroon ng, ayun, tawag dyan, yung sa Christmas, yata, yun, merong ditong show. Nung maliit pa si Ella. Dito yan kami nagpunta. Dito kami nakatayo dyan. Dun yung show yata. Sabi doon, no dogs. Laki-laki, no? May nakatira kaya dito? Ang ganda. Tingnan nyo. Ay. Ano kaya ganito kala? Ano kaya ang naging asawa mo, no? Ano yung tawag yan, oy? Hindi naman prince kasi masyado ka naman. Yung mga duke, ganyan. Tapos ganito kalaki yung mo, palasyo, girl. Ay, ganda. Uy. Ang ganda, tingnan mo. Ganda dito. Ganito kalaki yung garden mo, no? Ha? Ilan kaya ang kailangan mong katulong at saka yaya? No? Ang ganda dito. Kita nyo ba? Laki-laki ng garden nila, oy. Ang ganda. Ayun, may lake, man-made lake dun, man-made yun. Ganda, Ay, pak! Ganda ng garden.
They're massive. Never moved it.
I want a piece of land in Philippines and do something like this. You have a small hut house probably, and then you have this, isn't it? It's nice. Ganda ng garden, ganda. Ganda niya dito, Bebs. Ganda.
Pot planting. Very nice.
Alam na alam niya yung mga plants niya. Look at that. Ganda. Flowers. Ang ganda-ganda dito. Diba na? Ang ganda. Tapos may bench dun sa They should put something like this there. Bench. Walden. Ganda.
We could have a bench at one end of the lawn.
Yeah. It's nice, no? Ganda. Oh. Ganda naman here. Ganda ng pond, oh. Man-made lang yan siguro din, no? Yan ang ganda ng pond. Bawal akyat dun. Ay no, may ano siya. Oh, ay, may house dun. There's a house up there. Alam, sabi ng bawal. Si David parang buang ko ko eh. Dali si Epi. Tumatawag mga bebs. Hi! Tumawag si Epi eh. Ang ganda dito mga bebs. Oh. Ganda. Pak. Ang ganda. Lakas makaano eh. Oh. Pak. May jacket ako kasi may ano, malamig yung ano, yung hangin. Kung walang hangin, okay lang eh. Tingnan nyo yung pagkat nila ng ano, ang galing oh. May ganun siya. Yung kung makikita ninyo, mapansin ninyo. Ayan. Oh, ang galing. Lahat na dito. Para siyang plastic. Pero hindi. Ganda. Ganda dito. Tumawag si kay Epi. Sabi niya hindi na namin siya sinama. Ba't alam po ba nandyan ka? Hindi ko na nga alam kung kailan ka pa uuwi eh. Ganda ah. May bench doon ah. Ganda. Ganda. Ayun para siyang ano, small greenhouse ano. Kasi may ganun eh. Oh. Ayun oh. Yun ang nakakakuha ng init yata. Kaya siya greenhouse. Ayun yung greenhouse. Pak, ang greenhouse. Gusto to na Ella. Gusto na Ella dito. Ayun sa tatay. Ay, ang cute oh. Ay, ang cute. Tingnan niyo to. Ah. Kita niya. Ayan ah. Ganda niya. Ang ganda dito sa loob. Tingnan natin sa loob ha. Maging nosy tayo. Ay, ang ganda. Tingnan nyo, para siyang ginawang office ba? Uy. Oh. Ginawa siyang parang office. Ganda. Ganda dito. Siya yan oh. Laki. Oh. Tapos meron kang sariling lake mo oy. May pond doon, merong river doon banda. Doon, meron. Grabe no. Asok karera ni Papa. Tama ba yun? Halika, akyat tayo. Akyat tayo mga bebs. Step. Pak. Ayun si Joawis. Mamili kayo sa mga kotse ko, char. Char lang. Ganda oh. Grabe no. Ano kaya ganyan kakayaman ano? Yun nga yung sinabi ko kanina, diba? Yung ano ka, yung nakapangasawa ka ng bilyonaryo no? O di kaya yun nga, duke, mga ganyan, mayroon ka sariling ganyan mga bebs, Diyos ko. Ha? Pero ayoko nang pinakalaki, hindi na kayo nagkita mag-asawa nun. Magtaguan kayo ba? No? Ayun oh, may ano, yun, may river doon. Tingnan nyo. Ano ganyan kalaking bahay mo? Palasyo. Palasyo ni Papa. Asukarero ni Papa. Nice. Dito. Kita sa likod. Ang dami naman bahay nito. Diba yan? Tapos ayun, meron pa dun. Ayun. Oh. Bahay ng katulong ko. Yung pinakulong kay akin. Parang tama. Ganda. Laki ng ano dito. Uy. Uwi na ata kami. Bye-bye. Uwi na kami. Goodbye. Dami kinakain fudge. Lagot ako nito. Pre-diabetes. Tapos kain ka ng fudge pack. Ano tayo ngayon? Ang tawag doon, cheat day tayo. Cheat day talaga. Ganda, laki oh. Hindi ko alam kung saan ka pupunta. Baka uwi na kami. Ay, hindi po, bibili pala ako ng ano. May mga Pinay.